Maggie, I'm 8 years old, and when I have these are my problems, I get stomach aches, and I get stuffy and scratchy, and I get runny noses.
Is that after something you eat something or what?
After I eat something sometimes.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Like what do you like to eat?
Like ice cream, eggs, sandwiches, potatoes.
Wow.
Ice cream.
Has it been going on a long time?
Yes.
How long?
I'm not sure.
Forever? Yeah? Okay. Anything else?
And I have scratchy.
You get scratchy.
Right here.
Okay.
And my back of my knees.
Okay.
To my head.
Okay. Are you taking any medicines?
Yes.
What are you taking?
Singular and Zyrtec. And my nasal spray.
Uh-huh.
I forgot what it was called.
That's okay. You have an inhaler?
Yeah.
Yeah? You sound a little stuffy right now. Yeah, okay. All right. Thank you, Maggie.